Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Jamaican tuna sandwich using an easy method. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need 1 can of tuna, 2 slices of your favorite bread, and some fresh vegetables like bell peppers and onions. Don't forget your seasonings, such as a pinch of black pepper and a dash of hot sauce for that authentic Jamaican kick. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's prepare the flavorful tuna filling. Start by draining your canned tuna very well. Nobody likes a watery sandwich. In a bowl, combine the drained tuna with about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of mustard. Next, fold in your finely diced onions and bell peppers. For that signature Jamaican flavor, add a dash of your favorite hot sauce and a pinch of black pepper. Mix everything until it's well combined and creamy. With your tuna mixture ready, it's time to assemble your delicious sandwich. First, lightly toast 2 slices of your preferred bread. This adds a wonderful texture and prevents sogginess. Next, spread a generous amount of the flavorful tuna mixture evenly over 1 slice of the toasted bread. For a fresh, crisp bite, layer on some fresh lettuce leaves and thin slices of ripe tomato. This combination creates a perfect balance of flavors and textures. Finally, place the second slice of toasted bread on top to complete your Jamaican tuna sandwich. You can cut it in half diagonally for a classic and appealing presentation. Serve it immediately with a side of plantain chips or a fresh green salad for a complete meal. This easy method ensures a quick and satisfying snack or lunch. Don't forget to check the description below for links to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.